Welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm going to be bringing you another chickpea chicken salad recipe, but I'm going to be doing a curry chickpea chicken salad. And so I'm going to be boiling my chickpeas in some yellow curry flavoring by Edwards and Son. If you don't have that, just use some curry powder. And then I'm also going to be using some vegan chicken flavoring. If you have whatever vegan chicken bouillon that you have or chicken broth will work for this. So you want to go ahead and put all those ingredients in the pot with some garlic powder and then some water, and you just want to go ahead and let those chickpeas boil until they are tender. While the chickpeas are cooking, we're going to go ahead and start cutting up our veggies. So I'm going to be adding some celery in here. So you want to give that a nice fine dice. And as you can see, I'm still using that Nikano knife that I featured in my pasta salad video. They sent this to me and it is truly amazing. I've had it for about a year and 2 months or so, and it's still cutting very well, as you can see. I'm also going to be cutting up some red onion for this. If you don't have red onion, feel free to use just yellow onion as well. I just prefer the red in this. Now for fruits, I'm going to be adding in some apple. Now, it's up to you on what type of apple you're putting in yours. I think I did a Gala is what I had in the... No, this is a Honeycrisp. But whatever apple that you prefer. If you want to add some sweetness, I would choose a sweeter apple. If you want to add some bitterness, tanginess to it, sourness, then of course Granny Smith works well. But your choice on the apple. I prefer a hint of sweetness, and then of course I'm going to add in some grapes as well. So now that our chickpeas are done boiling, do you see that nice golden curry color on them? So that's from the curry. I'm just go ahead and put those in the food processor. And I'm just going to pulse these for a little bit just so that it breaks down the bean into a nice, soft, crumbly texture. Now, we don't want to over puree this or over mix this because it will turn into more of a puree and a more like a hummus. And we're not going for hummus. Because hummus is more of a smooth texture, creamy texture, and that's not what we're going for. So this is the texture that you're looking for. So once again, you don't want to pulse it too much. Next, I'm going to grab a mixing bowl and I'm going to go ahead and pour in our chickpeas, and then I'm going to add in our veggies and our fruit. So the celery's going in, the red onions are going in, as well as the apples and the grapes. And then we're going to go ahead and continue to add the rest of our ingredients for this dish. Doesn't that look so pretty? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add in some curry powder, some ground turmeric, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some pink Himalayan salt or whatever type of salt that you prefer to use, some plant-based mayo, some lemon juice, fresh or the bottle. And then we're going to go ahead and give all of that a mix. When it comes to this recipe, feel free to add or take away whatever ingredients that you're used to having in your chicken salad or chickpea chicken salad. It's all a matter of preference. I will say that I forgot to show that I did add in some celery seed, and then I also added in some sugar. That's the white stuff that I'm pouring in right now for just a little bit more sweetness for mine. But all you do is mix it up and serve it with some crackers or on bread as a sandwich, and it is oh so delicious. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this recipe. You know, I got you on the full recipe. It is in the description box down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.